Have you uploaded a YouTube video and it's stuck at 0 views? And then you are wondering, what's going on? No views, no likes, no comments. The video is just not gaining traction and you're just pondering on what the issue can be. You are refreshing the page over and over again and wondering, have I done something wrong? Don't worry, you are not alone. I've been there before and I'm going to be showing you what to do exactly if you have 0 views on your videos. So these are proven strategies to kickstart your videos and also to get YouTube recommending your videos. So if you're ready to fix this, please hit that like button and let's get started. So the first thing to do is to actually check if your video is public. So many times we try to upload a video and we do it in a hurry, so much that we are not so certain where we have placed the videos, because you can either place your video on private, public, or even unlisted. So there was a time I did a live stream and I tried highlighting a particular aspect of the video, and then after the live stream ended, I was just looking at this highlighted part was being uploaded, and I kept wondering and pondering, why is there no views? What's going on? Why is there no views? It was like that for so many hours and I was actually wondering if to delete the video. But later on, when I checked, I realized that this video was not actually published. It was just on private. And I was there wondering why I had 0 views. So guys, if you upload a video, make sure to schedule your video the right way. Make sure to take it out from private and make sure to schedule it at the right time that you want. And when you have done this, make sure to save it, because if you don't save, you might go back to the previous setting. Make sure to save whatever it is that you have done. The second one is to improve your video title and thumbnail. So there are many times when you publish the video and it may not be 0 views, you may have views but you're not getting a good number of views. Sometimes you need to adjust the title, maybe tweak it a bit here and there, and also adjust the thumbnail. Maybe that the thumbnail is not something that is very appealing to your audience and you just need to change it. Especially if you are even stuck on 0 views. This is the first thing that you should consider after you've checked that your video is actually public and not private. It's important to get titles right and thumbnails right. If you're not getting the views that you desire or you are stuck at 0 views, this is a very important step to do. So your thumbnail should be big, should have bold text written on it that people can easily see whenever they cite it, and it should be filled with vibrant colors that will be popping and would encourage people to click on it. Also, show some emotion in your thumbnails, maybe a shocking emotion, excited, happy, sad, depending on what you're trying to depict in that video. Another thing is to make the title also very specific to what you're trying to portray, and this will really help people to click on it. Not a clickbait title, but a title that is specific to what you are trying to pass across. Another important thing is the age of your account. If you have a very old account that you have been using to watch other people's videos and all, maybe before you decided to start YouTube, it's better to use that old account, because YouTube already knows that account. You've used it to comment on other people's videos, you've used it to like people's videos and everything, because old accounts helps a lot with more views, because it's actually verified. An account that you have used to comment, to like people's videos and everything is way more recognized by YouTube than a new account. So if you're using an old account, be rest assured that you will definitely be getting views, because this account has been on for years and you have been using it to actually watch other people's videos. But if you don't want to use any old account, or probably you don't even have an old account, you can start up a new account. But in starting up this new account, make sure to use this account to watch other people's videos, at least before you start posting your content on it. watch other people's videos, comment at least between 2 to 3 or even a month. Use it to do a lot of activities. Watch other people's content, like their videos, comment on it. This way YouTube will understand that yes, by the time you are posting out your videos, it knows what the account is about, and it's not assuming that the account is a bot. And then that way you are able to get views and get your videos recommended. Another thing also is posting and engaging. When you post, you should also engage on other people's videos. You are not a lone ranger on YouTube, or I don't know how to put it. You are not a robot. You are not on YouTube to just post your own videos and just see views and all. You need to engage. First of all, engage on your own video. Put down comments. You can put 1 to 2 different comments in your own video, even 3 in your own video. That way it will encourage people to also comment, and also put comments that would endear people to make comments on your videos. Not only that, engage with other YouTubers as well. That's why I'm saying that you are not a lone ranger. Watch other people's videos, make comments on it. This also goes a long way to tell the YouTube that yes, you are actually engaging. You are not just there for your own videos alone. So this also is going to help your videos to actually get the views and also to get the engagement that you desire. So this would definitely help your own videos as well to get the views that you want, because you are also engaging on other people's videos. Another very important thing you should look at is the content that you are pushing out. If your videos are not getting views, check yourself. Check your videos properly. Are they actually offering value to your audience? Are they actually what your audience want to watch? Because sometimes we find ourselves creating content that we want to watch and not what our audience wants to watch. Don't forget that you are there to serve your audience, not to serve yourself. So check what content you are pushing out there, if it's what your audience actually wants to watch. And also, is what you are pushing out, is it actually valuable? Is it valuable? Is it something that when you sit to watch it, you know that yes, this content is actually going to solve somebody's problem? Yes, somebody is going to gain some value from this content. If it's something that people will actually gain value from, then you are good to go. So sometimes if your videos are not gaining views, these are the things to look out for. Another thing to look out for is how well your videos are optimized. How well do you optimize your videos? How well do you impute the necessary keywords that you need to put in your videos? The necessary hashtags that you need to impute in your videos. How well are you publishing your videos to rank well for search? All these things matters. If you're not doing all these things in the right way, there is no way you would get views. There is no way you will get the kind of views that you want. So if you're not optimizing your videos well, your titles well, writing a proper description that fits the video, if you're not doing these things, it's going to be a very big problem. You're going to be having a big problem when it comes to views. Another major thing that needs to be done is to hook your viewers in the first 30 seconds. Whatever it is that you want to say, make sure that you are hooking your viewers. Make sure that they are drawn in. Make sure they are drawn in to watch your videos. Even if you want to do your welcoming and all that, make it very short. But in my own advice, I'll say just go straight to the point. That first 30 seconds should be about what you are willing to serve them, so that when they listen to that and it's something that they are interested in, then they can sit back to watch. But people have very short lifespan these days. If you go about doing all sorts of introductions and all, and you have wasted 2 minutes of your time already and you have not even started the main purpose of the video, you are most likely not going to get clicks, no views on your video. Once they watch it and they are not really seeing what they want, they will click out of the video. And if they click out, it's going to affect the overall performance of your video, and YouTube will not be able to push the video to so many people, and then this goes ahead to affect your impressions as well. So these are the things that you need to look out for. You need to start with a powerful hook. Avoid long intros. Another important thing is to keep viewers watching. YouTube actually wants people to stay much longer on their platform. So the more people watch, the more watch time you get from that video, the more YouTube will push it to more people to watch. So how can you make people stay more on your video? By adding text to your videos to keep them engaged. And also you can even add B-rolls to your videos. It will also keep them engaged. And also change camera angles as well. This helps to keep people engaged on your videos. Another important thing to do if you really want views is to create a playlist and link your other videos into it. This way, when people watch your playlist, they'll keep watching from one video to the next and to the next, and it keeps flowing that way. This is another beautiful way to get views on your video. For every video that you create, make sure to add it to a playlist. When people come to your channel and they see it as something they would love to watch, they check out your playlist. They can open it up and start watching from one video to the next. So you want to make sure that you will always have all your videos linked to a playlist, as this is going to enhance your views. And the last important tip that I have for you is to be patient and keep uploading. Why did I say be patient? Sometimes when you post a video, it doesn't gain traction immediately. Sometimes you look at the impression, it's very poor. It may even be 100 or even less than 100 impressions, meaning the people YouTube has pushed the video to is 100 people or even less than. Sometimes your videos do not gain traction until 3 days after you start seeing views, and you are wondering, wow. On my news channel, I've seen several times when I posted a video and it ended up having 10 views for the day, and I leave it at that and I keep posting and I keep posting. 3 days after, I just see views, like the views are just going and skyrocketing, and I'm like, where is this view coming from? Because when I check the present video that I've made, probably the views is not really going up or something, and I need to check my studio to see what is going on. Then I realized that it's a video I posted 3, 4, 5 days back that has just gained traction, and the views are just pouring in. So you need to be patient and also understand the fact that not every video will gain traction immediately. Some people even talk about a video they have done for so many months back, suddenly views. So when you make videos and it seems like you're not getting views, be patient. That video that is not getting views today might end up serving you a lifetime tomorrow. So there's need to be patient, there's need to persevere. It's not every video that is not giving you views that you delete from your channel. I'm seeing people delete their videos saying it doesn't give views and all. Not every video that you just delete, because at that point it may not be a video that people actually need. You never can tell. In the next week it may be something that people have started searching for, and then you start getting the views. If you delete the video, how would you get views on it? So it's very vital, it's very important to be patient. It's a process. This YouTube journey is a process. Enjoy the process and enjoy the journey. Also bear in mind that YouTube tests the video with a small audience first before taking it to a larger audience, and some videos may take weeks before it's being picked up. So it's important to be patient. The more consistent you are, the better YouTube will understand your videos. If you're not getting good views, maintain a schedule of posting. If it's 2 times a week, if it's once a week, if it is 3 times a week, have a specific time of posting. This is going to really help your videos a lot. So if you are not getting the desired views that you want, stick to a particular timing of posting your videos, and also be very consistent. This will help you a great deal. So if you have found this video very helpful, please like it, share on to others that will be needing this video as well, and please comment. Let me know in the comment section how this has impacted you and what you'll be doing onwards. Thank you so much guys for watching. I do appreciate you. On my end screen here, you're going to be seeing a video here. Please do watch it, as this will be of great value to you. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.